Hi everyone, and welcome to our instructional video for using online invoice approval with StrataMaster. As committee members, you may be responsible for reviewing and approving invoices for your owner's corporation. This video will assist with logging into your portal, viewing the invoices requiring approval, and submitting your responses to the Strata Manager. Let's start with logging in first. You should receive an email or a printed letter with instructions of how to log into the portal. Detailed on the email, you'll see a URL or web address provided that you can click or type into your internet browser, which will take you to the login page of your portal. Once you've navigated to the web address, you will see your Strata agency's branding showing so that you know you're in the right place. From the Owner drop-down menu, select Committee Member. This will ensure you're logged in as a committee member and provide you with information and functionality only available to the committee. Next, you'll enter your access code. This access code will also be found on the same email you have received. Each owner will receive one access code even if you own multiple different properties. Once your access code is in, you'll need to enter your password. At this stage, you'll not yet have created a password. If you refer back to your initial email, there'll be a temporary password showing. Copy and paste this password into the password section or retype this password as appropriate. Please note that your temporary password will expire after 7 days of receiving your email. If this happens, you can click the Forgot Password and/or Access Code button to reset your password. Once all of your details are in, you can click the Login button, and you'll then be prompted to create your own password. Input a password of your choosing into the New Password field, ensuring that your new password meets the criteria of a minimum of 8 characters and a maximum of 15 characters. It must also include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. You'll then need to retype this password into the Confirm New Password field, and then press Enter. Your Strata Manager will not have access to your password, so please ensure you write this down or save your password into your web browser. Your login details will now be updated, and you can log in with your new access code and password. Once you have logged in, you'll be taken to your portal's dashboard, where you can view a summary of the different information you have available on your portals. To view our invoice approval screen, we can simply click the Approvals tab on the right of the screen. Here you'll be able to see a list of all invoices that are requiring your approval. You're able to view the invoice itself by clicking on Invoice on the left of the screen. You can see who the creditor is for this invoice, the description of the invoice, as well as the amount and due date of this invoice. If you're a committee member for multiple plans, you can view invoices for different plans by using the drop-down menu at the top of the page. You're also able to search for particular invoices using the keyword search bar for any details included on the invoice, such as the creditor name and description. The action required from you is on the right side, showing a Don't Pay and a Pay button. Clicking Don't Pay will pull up a confirmation screen where you'll be required to enter a comment or reason for why you have disapproved this invoice. If you click Pay, the same confirmation screen will open, however leaving a comment is optional. Simply click OK to confirm your choice. Once you're happy with your choices, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to send your responses to your Strata Manager. Once you have submitted, you'll see the words Vote Submitted appearing next to each invoice you have submitted a response for. You are able to adjust your vote by simply repeating the process we just looked at and submitting once more. Adjusting your vote can be done anytime until the invoice has been approved for payment. If an invoice has already received a majority approval from other committee member votes, it will be removed from the approvals page. Thank you so much for tuning in, and happy approving.